All right, let's jump into a deep dive on tech writing and documentation. Especially how cloud-based tools are totally reshaping the scene. We've got some awesome insights to unpack today from Curt Robbins. He's a senior technical writer, worked with some big names, Microsoft, Northrop Grumman, Wells Fargo. His article really dives into the leading tools shaping how IT documentation is created, managed and consumed, really, looking ahead to 2024 and 2025.
Yeah, and I think what's so interesting about Robbins' piece is that it really highlights this shift. It's happening right now. More and more companies moving away from those traditional documentation methods and embracing these cloud-based solutions.
Okay, so let's break down why this shift is happening. What are the advantages of using cloud-based tools for documentation?
I think it boils down to the way we work today. Teams are distributed, collaboration is key, security is paramount, and cloud-based tools are really designed with those needs in mind. They offer incredible scalability. You can adapt as your team and content grow. Real-time collaboration makes it seamless to work together on documents no matter where you are. And enhanced security measures so you know your information is protected.
So instead of emailing Word files back and forth, dealing with version control nightmares, you can have a centralized platform where everyone's working together efficiently and securely.
Exactly. And think about all that time you save. Not having to manage those physical servers, worrying about software updates. Cloud-based tools take care of all of that for you.
Huge relief for anyone who spent hours troubleshooting technical issues instead of, focusing on creating great content.
Absolutely. It frees up all that time and energy to focus on what really matters, crafting that clear, concise, engaging documentation.
Now, Robbins dives into some specific tools that are leading this cloud revolution. And it's not a one-size-fits-all.
Right. Each tool has its own strengths, tailored for those different needs, different team sizes.
So let's take a closer look at some of these leading tools, starting with ClickHelp.
Okay, so ClickHelp is known for being so user-friendly. It's a great option for those smaller teams. Individuals looking for that straightforward solution don't need to be a tech wizard to use it effectively.
And it has real-time collaboration features so teams can work together seamlessly. Plus, there's those extensive customization options, so you can tailor it to your specific needs.
And it even supports multiple languages right out of the box. Crucial for companies working with those global teams or audiences. Imagine being able to create documentation that's easily accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or language.
That's a game changer for breaking down communication barriers, making sure everyone has access to the information they need. Next up, we have Confluence, popular platform known for its collaborative power.
If you're familiar with Atlassian products, you know they're built for teamwork. And Confluence really embodies that philosophy with its wiki-style interface. Makes it so easy for teams to create, edit, share documentation collaboratively.
And it integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian tools like Jira, a huge plus for agile teams. Streamlined workflow can boost productivity.
Absolutely. Having your documentation, project management, communication tools all in one place can streamline your entire process.
Let's move on to MadCap Flare, specifically designed to handle those complex documentation projects.
One of Flare's standout features is its single sourcing capability.
Could you explain what single sourcing means for someone who might not be familiar with the term?
Sure, imagine you need to update a product description. With single sourcing, you only need to make that change once. It'll automatically update across all your documents, website, user manual, help center, everything.
That sounds incredibly efficient.
It is.
Yeah.
Eliminates the need to manually copy and paste information across multiple documents. Saves you time. Ensures consistency.
I can see how that'd be a lifesaver for complex projects. Lots of interconnected information.
Exactly. And Flare takes it a step further with conditional content. Allows you to tailor your documentation to specific user roles or product versions.
Delivering the right information to the right people at the right time. Personalized approach to documentation.
Precisely. Now, if you're looking for a platform that can handle the demands of truly large-scale technical documentation, Paligo is worth exploring.
Sounds like Paligo's built for the big leagues.
It is. It's a robust content management system, or CCMS. And while it might seem intimidating at first, designed to be user-friendly. Powerful content reuse capabilities help you manage those massive documentation projects effectively.
Content reuse is a theme that keeps coming up. Makes sense. It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Exactly. Paligo also allows for multi-channel publishing, so you can create your documentation once. Publish it in various formats, from PDF and HTML to even mobile apps. Plus, incredibly secure. Leverages AI for smart content suggestions.
So you're getting efficiency, flexibility, and security all in one package. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about Rocketnotes. Seems like a more specialized tool.
Yeah, Rocketnotes is really geared towards note takers, especially those working with clone and diagrams. Supports Markdown. It's a lightweight markup language, popular among developers and writers. Includes features like code syntax highlighting and diagram integration. Essentially, your supercharged digital notebook for technical writing.
Speaking of supercharged, Rocketnotes also includes AI-powered features. Can help you write better and faster, like having a virtual assistant for your documentation.
And last but not least, we have ScribeHow, focuses on automation.
This one really caught my eye, because I've spent countless hours manually creating process documentation, step-by-step guides, tutorials, that sort of thing.
Well, ScribeHow is designed to automate that process. It uses AI to capture processes through screenshots, converts them into those step-by-step guides automatically. Huge time saver for anyone who creates process documentation regularly.
So instead of tediously documenting every step manually, you can focus on refining that content, ensuring its clarity and accuracy. ScribeHow takes care of the heavy lifting.
Exactly. Streamlines your workflow, lets you focus on the more strategic aspects of your work.
We've covered a lot of ground here, exploring a diverse range of cloud-based documentation tools, from user-friendly options like ClickHelp to robust platforms like Paligo, and we've seen how these tools are designed to address those challenges of modern documentation. Features like real-time collaboration, single sourcing, AI integration, and automation.
And while we've highlighted some of the leading tools, the key takeaway is that the landscape is constantly evolving. What works best for you today might not be the perfect solution tomorrow. So how do you choose the right tool for your needs?
That's a great question. With so many fantastic options available, it can feel overwhelming to make the right choice.
Well, Robbins offers some valuable guidance in his article, emphasizing the importance of carefully evaluating your specific requirements. Consider your team's size, the complexity of your documentation, collaboration needs, budget, and how much automation you're looking for. It's about finding the tool that fits your workflow, helps you achieve your goals.
So it's not just about picking the shiniest tool, but the one that aligns with your needs and priorities.
Precisely. And remember, the world of documentation is dynamic. What works today might not be the best solution tomorrow. It's crucial to stay informed about new developments, be open to exploring different approaches as your needs evolve.
That brings us to the future of documentation. Robbins predicts that we'll see even more AI and machine learning integration in these tools. What do you think that looks like?
I think we're on the cusp of some truly groundbreaking advancements. Imagine AI helping you write better content, personalize documentation for specific users, even automatically generate documentation from your code.
That sounds both amazing and a little bit intimidating.
It is exciting, and I think ultimately it'll free up technical writers to focus on those more creative and strategic aspects of their work.
That's a crucial point. As AI takes on more of those routine tasks, technical writers can focus on the aspects that require human expertise. Things like crafting those engaging narratives, developing intuitive information architectures, ensuring the overall user experience is exceptional.
And as AI and machine learning continue to evolve, we can expect even more innovative features and capabilities to emerge. It's an exciting time to be in this field.
Absolutely. Okay, before we get too carried away with visions of AI-powered documentation, let's take a step back and recap what we've learned so far.
Well, we've established that cloud-based documentation tools are transforming the way we work. They offer a wealth of benefits over traditional methods, from enhanced collaboration and security to increased efficiency and scalability.
And we've explored a range of tools, each with its own strengths and target audience, highlighting the importance of carefully evaluating your needs to find the right fit.
We've also touched upon the importance of staying adaptable, embracing that ongoing evolution of documentation, especially with that exciting potential of AI and machine learning on the horizon.
As you continue exploring these tools and concepts, remember, it's not just about creating documents. It's about empowering people with knowledge.
It's about making information accessible, digestible, and actionable. It's about building those bridges between technical experts and end users, fostering understanding, and ultimately creating a better user experience.
Well said. This deep dive has been incredibly insightful, and I hope you've gained valuable knowledge about the transformative power of cloud-based documentation tools.